Hey guys, my name is Pierre from Am Spyder Accessories.com and welcome to the Spyder Shop. In today's video, we're going to be doing what? We're going to be doing a little installation of the new, do I say new and beautiful, F3 full-size rear shelf for the F3T series. We've been making a full-size rear shelf for the F3 series for about 3 years now, and never have we gone for the F3T, now available for your Am Spyder. A couple of modifications along the way. We've made it in 3-piece. Notice that it's a lot shorter for the big legs. They come separately, so easier on the installation and definitely cheaper on the shipping fee. To get things started, we're going to be removing two things. You're going to be removing the passenger seat, and you're also going to be removing that panel that's right behind it with the BRP logo. Here we go. Insert your key, push it down, turn to the right. As you do that, you'll hear a little pop at the back of the passenger seat, and that's going to allow you to lift it up. You're going to have one of these that's going to be hooked onto this little piece here. Just go ahead and remove that. You're going to need one or two tools. You can use one of these tools to remove push pins, or one of these screwdrivers that's got a little bit like a crowbar, or even a flathead screwdriver. You've got one push pin here to remove, and you got another one right there. We're going to remove the cap here at the bottom to start off with. So you're simply going to get your fingers in there here. You're going to lift that up and then move it towards the top. As we're looking to remove the antenna, you want to give yourself more room. Just go ahead and open up the saddlebag so we don't scratch the paint right here. One microfiber rag and a pair of vice grips. You're going to need your new antenna. You're going to need that 6mm bolt that we've provided, and you're going to need a 10mm socket. And simply install as follows. Don't go too tight, just make it snug. Just pass it towards the inside and leave it there for now. It's now time to take the 6mm Allen key, remove these two bolts. We're going to do one side at a time. You can take the bushing and the bolt and put them aside, as we won't need them. Simply take your side bracket, your two new bolts, put them through the holes, and do the installation. For this, you're going to need your 5mm Allen key. Just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. For this part, start off with the bolts that are at the top towards the rear on each side. For this last step and last bolt, as you insert the bolt, you want to take the antenna and bring it on the inside, as the bolt is going to go through 1, 2, and 3 parts with the flange nut between the antenna and the bracket. Just put back the passenger seat, the plastic cover, and you're done. As you can see, the work is done and it looks awesome.